Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
All right, guys, you ready to go deep?
All right, so here's the tip.
Go ahead and start gushing. That's a tip thick. Ooh,
Whoa.
look at that. Wow, well, hold on. What the heck is that, dude?
I think that's what the tip is made of, and it's
No,
just
there's
some dry
something
parts. No, like this.
Oh, it's made out of a
it's just-
fabric of sorts? Look at it. It's fabric-y. Man, I tell
Whoa.
you, you are getting your money's worth right now. I got to say, wow, that is got to be cool.
That has got to be cool.
Wait, look at, first of
right.
all, is it damaged? Is that why it's like that on that side that's kind of ripped open or something? That's a damage mark right there, I think.
No, I have a feeling. Here, I kind of wiped it. Let's see. I think that's just I think that's just what it's made out of.
That's
You know,
the
that tip is clearly some kind of fabric or something.
Look at what a
Let's
mound.
write.
All right, let's go.
I can't wait.
I can't wait to
get,
just. You can't wait to release from the tip, this thick tip. You can't wait to release some ink.
I seriously cannot wait to
All right,
release
get a
ink.
good focus on that and let her gush. Oh yeah, look at that.
Whoa.
Look at it spread. Look at that spread. Look at how it's absorbent. The paper, it absorbs the juice, purple juice. It's like wine.
This is beautiful wine.
It's just a wine here. It's a nice sangria.
It's a wine bock, I would say.
Look at that. Look at that wine spilling
I mean,
onto this
truly,
napkin.
it looks like a wine bock. Because wine bock, that means river of wine.
Stream of wine.
Stream of wine
Oh,
in,
and there
in
you
German.
go. It is a wine bock.
Well, there we go.
Stream of wine.
This is, you know, this.
Look at that. Oh, it's like paint, actually. It looks like,
kinda like-
paint coming out,
It's
actually.
kind of like one of those oddly
Wait, can I
satisfying.
get in
You know,
on
like
this?
oddly satisfying.
Can I get in on this?
You know those oddly satisfying videos? Look at that. Here,
Let me just get a taste of this.
let me focus. Right
Well, I wanted to put it near the pink and near the purple so I can kind of blend, you know? Okay,
What
so
color are you gonna use?
let's find out.
Just find
Find it.
it on the screen and go for it.
So let's see what it's apart looks like.
Ooh,
Look at this. Look at that. Wow.
Oh,
Oh,
you know that-
look at that. Look at the blending.
it's like that favorite song, Green and Purple, Green
Oh.
and Purple.
By the way, this really does now look like a Cocteau Twins album here. Truly. Hold on.
Well,
look
not
at,
really.
Look at the blending,
It
please.
does not look like
It
a
does.
Cocteau
Yes,
Twins.
it does. Totally.
There's
100%.
no Cocteau
Sunburst,
Twins.
Sunburst, and Snowblind. Check it out. Look at that blending. Isn't that neat? That is cool. Look at the intersection of the arts
Well,
right
that's
there.
how they make black. They just take purple and green.
That's
get
the
black.
intersection of the arts. Look at that. And you know what? Can I just... Okay, and look at that on the naked right there. It doesn't look like anything.
We kind of went through on Trevor's table a little bit.
Uh-oh. That's really neat. And
That's really
and
cool.
you know what's going to be even neater? Yellow. You know what?
Look, here's my art from earlier. Look at that. Now that's with the ballpoint pen.
It's dried now. That's what it looks like
Crazy,
dried.
Dude, that's crazy, dude.
That's what it looks like dried.
I mean, it looks perfectly like a black. All right, here we go. You want to hit the yellow
Well,
next
here
to the
you
green?
do. You're better at this, actually.
No, you do it because I'm
Well, here,
holding the lens.
Fine, but I do want to see it separate, like without mixing the colors first.
Okay, look, find the lens.
Find the light.
Keep going. There
Right
we
there.
go. Hit it.
Oops, sorry.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at it soak. Now let's go. I'm gonna go next to the colors here. So move it over. I'm gonna get over here. I'm gonna,
Over here.
I want to. I want
next
to
to the
I wanna
colors?
blend. Yeah, I'm gonna blend in here.
Let's do it.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Look at this. Look how cool that is. That is freaking cool. That is so cool, man.
It's like
The
watercolor.
Yeah, the way that
It's watercolor paint.
the way that the colors mix
Whoa,
is
dude.
so neat. I gotta be juicing. Look at that. Look at that juice and how it mixes.
Look at that juice
That is
mixing.
so neat. I mean, this is truly neat right here. You know, I was tired before.
Brent.
This was a true pick-me-up
Do
right
me
here.
do me a favor. Push the tip hard so we watch. So
Oh my gosh. I see a river.
You know, like don't ruin it. Just like push down right in that corner.
This one?
Right in that corner. Right where I'm going. No, closer to the lens here.
Right there?
Yeah, just do it right there. Push it down. Let's watch that thing gush.
Wow. And look at the tip, by the way, with the
Release.
fibers. It's so soggy. Man,
Man, that was worth it.
that was
Whoa.
totally a Patreon move right there.
I mean, I've been to some art shows, and this is better than some art I've seen at some established art galleries. Just these scribbles.
I've seen such
know.
a thing, yeah. My name is Brent, this is
And,
Doug.
I'm Doug, and...
and the Microscope Show. And keep subscribing on YouTube, too.
well,
That's cool,
regardless, we're going to put out videos on YouTube. But if you want to go deep, if you want to go deeper, you got to go on Patreon. See you next time. Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.